Okay guys, so we're going to talk about your feedback on your Achilles paragraph. I'm going to use this Paris paragraph for our example, but same idea here, okay? So the first step is you're going to log on to Google Classroom, find your Achilles paragraph, okay? And you will see comments that I have left for you on the side, all right? So things are looking really good, and just a couple of things to keep in mind when you're looking at your comments. So a couple of things I noticed, a lot of us forgot tag in our topic sentence, title, author, genre. So if I saw this, I know that this person would need to add tag, right? Sometimes I saw some silly spelling errors that would be easy to fix. So if I said check spelling throughout, that meant the whole paragraph, that word maybe was spelled wrong or needs to double check it, okay? And then I also noticed a couple different times some of us were combining sentences or making them too long. So like for instance in this prove it, it says this shows that Paris is lovesick for Helen because he loves her so much that he cannot resist loving her. He is so in love that it hurts. There are two sentences there, so I commented, how can this be one sentence? Okay, so first thing is, guys, you're going to go through and just say, what did I get on my paragraph? So pause the video right now, or sorry, not what did I get. Go ahead and pause the video right now and look at the feedback first. Okay, so go ahead and pause it first. Okay. The second piece is I will be giving you your rubric here in just a few minutes so you can see how you scored. So just to remind you, we had two categories here. So we had ideas and content and organization, right? And so the first score has to do with how did I answer the prompt. It has to do with my topic sentence, main points, evidence, and elaborate. So you'll see your score here in a moment and see how you did on that. Really awesome celebrations. A lot of us did super well on that. If you did happen to have something in the 2 category, there's comments on your paragraph as to why, and that would make it a 2.5, so make sure you're aware of that. Second category was organization. So again, how did I organize my paragraph? Did it make sense? Did I use transitions? So that one again was pretty easy. So hopefully it went pretty well for you. If transitions were forgotten again, that would make it a 0.5. If it wasn't in order, it'd make it 0.5. Or I know some of us were kind of reaching for that 4 here, a 3.5. So it depended on how you used your transitions and how well that went for you. Okay, so next step would be we're going to get that feedback back, and then finally we'll talk about your homework, which will be your reflection. Great.